In today's video, we'll share with you how to calculate the pairwise correlations of multiple securities using high-frequency data in DolphinDB. The data we use is the high-frequency quote data of U.S. stocks on August 1st, 2007. The raw data is 16.1 gigabytes with 380 million records. We will calculate the pairwise correlations of the most actively traded 500 stocks in that day. First, generate a vector of 500 stock tickers with the largest number of quote records. The syntax of the exec statement is the same as the select statement, except that select always returns a table, whereas exec can return a scalar, vector, matrix, or table, which is more convenient for certain operations. Next, select the records for these 500 stocks and filter out dirty data. Generate a minute-level mid-price matrix with stock tickers as column labels and minutes as row labels. Convert the minute-level mid-price matrix into a stock return matrix. Based on the stock return matrix, we calculate the correlation between every two columns to get a 500 by 500 pairwise correlation matrix. It only takes 4 lines in DolphinDB to get the pairwise correlation matrix from the high-frequency data. Now let's run the script. The execution only takes 2.5 seconds. From the pairwise correlation matrix, let's get the 3 stocks with the highest correlation with Lehman Brothers. They are Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and Merrill Lynch. These are all investment bank stocks that are supposed to be highly correlated with Lehman Brothers. In this example, DolphinDB demonstrates excellent performance in data analysis of large amounts of data with elegant code and minimal coding efforts. The calculation process can be encapsulated into a function to be used in script, as well as through various APIs such as Python, C++, Java, Go, etc.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for technical support and more information. Stay tuned for more updates on our Twitter, LinkedIn, GitHub, and Slack. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.